Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Wow! So, have you ever wondered whether or not you could do amusement parks, hospitality, events, event planning, things like that, convention centers? Well, in this video, the answer is yes and yes. Yes, you can. So let's look at what does that mean. So what does a contract in hospitality mean? Well, I personally got several, and I was in Orlando, Florida, and I was doing the convention centers. So first, think about what 3 categories in 3 ways you can actually get hospitality contracts. The first is in transportation. That includes anything, buses, anything like that in transportation. There are public and there's government. So today we're talking solely on public. So think about transportation, whether it's cruise ships, airports, all of that. The second thing under hospitality falls under lodging. And I did a video yesterday or last week. My previous video was on Airbnbs and hotels and what you can do on a Saturday, getting up and going out there under lodging. The third way, and what I'm going to talk about today, is services. So services covers all kinds of things like convention centers, amusement park, Chuck E. Cheese, yes, Chuck E. Cheese, all of those, and restaurants. I absolutely love hospitality contracts because, like I always say, the fastest way to scale are 2 ways when you're looking at getting government contracts and doing corporate, like doing more locations, have more than one area that you can clean. So hospitality contracts, look into transportation, look into lodging, and definitely look into services. Services, the #1 area. Like I said, people will not take their children to Funland. Think of those little amusement parks. I went to one this weekend. Think of Chuck E. Cheese. Most times they do not have their staff cleaning. So make a list, look at your area, look at your surroundings, look at your competition, and get started. Hospitality contracts, 3 ways. Remember, transportation, lodging, services. And services breaks down into event planning. You can look at, think about people that plan weddings. Call and connect with the convention center. All of those have connections when they know these events are coming. Now that this time frame, the pandemic has eased a bit, there are going to be people probably doing more traveling and having more conventions. So be ahead of the game. Since it kind of calmed down, they probably let go a lot of their cleaning companies. You can get in there, get your foot in the door right now. So I'd love to see you actually start doing that. And that is good money, big money. As I say, 6 figures and beyond. Pow, money. So get started now. And if you'd like to know more, then you know what you can do. Join my free masterclass. Love to see you there. Space is limited. And all you need to do is click the link below to register. If you don't know where to get started, you can give us a call at 407-986-8228 or register for one of our free masterclasses. Love to see you there. And until the next video, take care and bye-bye.